Like Power Rangers.
Are you guys with the school district, or? You have a bus that needs to come in behind you, if you don't mind.
Who are you guys with?
Excuse me?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry?
Can I ask what's going on?
What happened? What's going on? How you doing? How you doing, buddy? Excuse me?
I'm just asking why you guys are here filming my bus.
What happened?
Can you move out of the road, please, sir, and let my bus come in? I'm on my property. It's all right.
Is this facility publicly funded?
It's Porterville Unified School District.
Right, so the funds come from the taxpayers to fund
Okay.
it? Right, so when you say my bus, it's our bus.
Okay.
Just wanted to clarify.
You guys wouldn't be having to call the cops, sorry?
I don't even have a phone.
You
I
don't
don't
see
have
your
a phone
partner
on me.
on the phone or that guy right there?
I don't know what he's doing. I didn't ask him to do anything.
Are we on the public sidewalk, ma'am?
You're
This
in
is
my
public.
driveway.
Is this,
It's my
ma'am? This is not your driveway.
The bus interrupting buses coming in.
You're interrupting my filming.
Yeah, you interrupted my narration, ma'am. Please have some respect. As you can see, as a person who knows the laws and
He's making up
the
we're interrupting the bus.
yeah.
We're never blocking any bus.
Right.
Never.
Like, and the passengers have the right of way, so if I'm walking across, they have to stop.
Right. I'm not standing in any driveway.
Hello. Right.
We were blocking it. We're impeding it.
Ma'am, the pedestrian has the right of way. If we're walking across, the bus has to stop. Please know the laws.
Let me find out you call the cops.
Let me find out you call the cop.
That guy. Let me find out he called the cops over there. Trying
He
to do all
called the
secretly.
police. The guy in the truck.
This guy,
He called them.
Sitting there and
he's a cop caller.
He's a cop caller.
Cop caller. Yeah, there's no kids out here.
I have a representative from Porterville Unified School District from speak to you if you need someone to speak to.
No, thank you.
Not necessary?
No, thank you.
Okay.
You have a nice day.
I will tell you though that
Get to work. Get to work.
No,
Get
my
to
face
work.
goes in
Sir,
on
you're blocking the.
public
You're
highway.
blocking.
I do not
Blow.
approve
Hey, you're blocking. You're blocking the sidewalk. Get to work.
Yeah, we're in Porterville.
Yeah. Get to work.
Oh, well, you're in public, sir.
That was funny.
Did you hear what he said?
What? No.
I said, hey man, should we wait for the cops? He says, no, that's not the issue. The issue is you don't have my permission to videotape me. I said, well, you're in public, sir.
Hello. Did she smile?
He's all trying to say what he wanted to say. What's up, you guys? I went live. I knew they were going to approach us.
Did you live? Are you live right now?
It sounds like it's a done deal, dude.
Let's skedaddle.
Got dismissed.
Huh?
All right, well, I guess we're going to bounce.
Alright, you guys. So, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys for tuning in. So So the dude that hit us up earlier had said, what did he say? I've been waiting for you guys to come to Porterville.
Yeah. It's pretty good, I guess. It's funny. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Much love and respect. Make sure you subscribe to Tulare County Cop Watch, News Now California, and H Gates 182, Tulare County Observer, Rights Crispy, Wolfie Gladly, Accountability Inspector, Rogue Nation, GA the Gladi Auditor,